Welcome to Learn and Create Code, and this is lesson 2, rather challenge. Let's change that. Challenge 2, and we have to print all numbers that are less than 100. And for the solution that I have, we can tackle it like this using a for loop. So for variable, you're going to use a variable I. You can name it however you would want. I is equal to the starting point. The first odd number we have is 1, and now we want the condition that we want I has to be less than 100, and then we would want after every iteration for I to increase by 2. Since that's how odd numbers work, let's just add this so that we see the odd numbers that we have. It's 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So this is what we want. So that means I has to increase by 2. So we can go like this. We can say I is equal to I plus 2, or we can do it like this: I plus equals 2. It's the same thing, and we include our curly braces, and this is the function we want to run every single time we iterate. So every single time we'll have our console dot log I, the value of I. So let's save that, Control S. Okay, and then we're gonna run that. Then as you can see, this is the one that we execute over there. Let's see, yes, 13579, and this is how we have done it. So let me check and see if they have Code Guppy has a different solution for us. Let me check that out. So I checked out the solution they have, and it's the same. So if you have a different way we can approach this, please put it in the comments below, and subscribe and like the video. Thank you.